Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking without breaking the bank? Today, we dive into the world of affordable, high-performance cookware. You can create a functional kitchen on a budget, especially now with the sub-$100 options available on Amazon. Gone are the days when quality meant a hefty price tag. Thanks to advanced manufacturing, even budget-friendly cookware can deliver professional-grade performance. Let's explore how you can elevate your cooking game without spending a fortune. First, let's talk about why high-performance cookware under $100 is now a reality. Modern budget sets utilize heavy-gauge aluminum cores for better heat distribution. You'll also find next-gen non-stick surfaces, ensuring effortless food release and easy cleanup. Plus, these sets come with ergonomic safety features. When shopping, look beyond brand names. Focus on key specs that indicate quality. For instance, hard anodized aluminum is lightweight yet durable, while 18/10 stainless steel offers long-lasting performance. Ensure the non-stick surfaces are free from harmful chemicals. Now, let's check out some top affordable cookware sets. 1. Tefal Initiatives Non-Stick Set 18 pieces for about $89. This set is perfect for beginners with its even heat distribution. 2. Amazon Basics Non-Stick Set 15 pieces for around $65. It's lightweight and extremely affordable for students or quick replacements. 3. Gotham Steel Non-Stick Set 10 pieces for about $99. Boasting a ceramic coating, it's great for high-heat cooking. These options provide quality at a great price. Now, to maximize your cookware's lifespan, remember the soft tool rule. Use non-metal utensils to avoid scratches. Although dishwasher safe, hand washing is better for longevity. Stick to medium heat to prevent warping and always store your pans properly. In summary, you can easily create a high-functioning kitchen for under $100. Look for the right materials, focus on essential features, and watch your culinary skills soar. Ready to start your cooking journey? Check out the best cookware sets and transform your kitchen today.